If you're looking for a rally bike that's not just for show, but truly built to dominate deserts, this is it. Meet the 2026 KTM 450 Rally Replica, a factory-spec Dakar weapon that you can actually buy off the showroom floor. KTM has claimed 10 out of the last 19 Dakar Rally wins, and many of those were done not just by factory riders, but by privateers using this exact machine. The 2025 version already had 235 stage wins. But in 2026, KTM went all in on refining the beast. The chassis is now hydroformed and laser welded for maximum precision and reduced weight. The rear subframe is still full carbon fiber, now slimmer and stronger. Up front, CNC machine triple clamps give you razor-sharp steering feedback, especially when blasting over tough terrain. Aerodynamics got a boost too, with a more streamlined fairing and a taller windscreen for better wind protection. At its heart is the same 449.3 cubic centimeters SOHC single-cylinder 4-stroke engine, identical to KTM's factory race bikes. You're looking at around 63 horsepower, but with a rally-specific ECU mapping built for long-distance control. The 6-speed gearbox is paired with a hydraulic clutch for smooth shifting. Suspension is top-tier, WP CAC PRO 48mm closed cartridge forks, fully rally-tuned straight from the factory. Fuel capacity? A massive 33 liters, split between dual front tanks and one in the rear, perfect for long stages. The nav tower is now full carbon fiber, reducing weight and improving rigidity. A new high-strength composite skid plate protects the undercarriage, and KTM even includes extra wheels, a spare windshield, and a street-legal conversion kit in some regions. This is the real deal. Bottom line? This is not a bike for weekend coffee runs. This is a purpose-built rally weapon, ready for Dakar, Trans-Anatolia, or any hardcore desert raid. The 2026 KTM 450 Rally Replica is as close as it gets to a factory racer. The only question is, are you ready for it? If you love hardcore rally machines like this, share your thoughts or rally dreams in the comments. See you in the dunes, rider.